So welcome back to Breathing with the Concept QuickBooks Desktop Mastery course. So today we're going to look at file types in desktop, in QuickBooks Desktop. Now, we all know that, like in Excel, we have XLS, we have Doc, we have PPT for PowerPoint. Same thing in QuickBooks. We have some basic file type in QuickBooks. These four are the most common types of data type, of file type in QuickBooks. We have the company file called QBW. Means that where you see QBW, this is the company file that we are working on. The QuickBook file you are working on will always end with .qbw. We also have the backup file. When you create a backup for your company, you're going to have a file called .qbb. Then we have the portable file. We have a portable file whereby it reduce the version, the size of the file of your company. This is usually used when you want to transfer, either you send by email or whatsoever. And we have the accountant type .qbx. So these are the most common types of file that we have in QuickBooks. So when we start the practical section, we're going to see how we create each of them and how to restore from each of these file. Then we also have some supporting files in QuickBooks. In QuickBooks, we have, when you check the file, the folder where you have your QuickBooks, you're going to see some files that are also together with your company file. I'm going to show you this when we launch our QuickBooks. So we have this file, .nd file, which is network descriptor. We have data source name file, .qbw.dsn, that is data source name. And we have TLG, transaction log file. All these files, there are 4 files, must be in the same folder with your QBW. So this will prevent data loss and ensure the smooth functioning of your QuickBooks. Now, so we're going to look at setting up your company in the next class. Thank you.